This is Arnon Roseanne, and I'm President and CEO of Garrison Flood Control. And today, I'm here to talk to you about our new inflatable MAKO flood barrier system. These come standard in 30-inch and 40-inch heights, but can be made custom to nearly any height, as long as that height can handle the hydrostatic pressures in combination with your opening. You look here on the 36-inch panel, which is already inflated. The system consists of two chambers, an upper chamber and a lower chamber, and each has its own inflator port. The inflator port can be opened by simply turning the cap open, and then you have a valve here that you use a standard stand-up paddleboard pump to pump this up with. Now, the reason we have two chambers is because we're going to insert this into your opening and inflate the upper chamber. That locks the system in place and enables it to hold in position while you fill the lower chamber. As the lower chamber fills, what it does is expands in the bottom of the opening and fills the gap at the bottom and at the sides, locking that in place as well. The reason we inflate this first is because we want to make sure that we have a very solid seal at the bottom where this barrier touches the ground. Once this is inflated in the doorway, what happens is the flood waters will push up against it, but this will lock into position using these friction seals on either side. Now, these seals are also designed to compress as this is inflated to enable to get a really good fit and a good seal. Each of these comes standard with a nice carry handle. Larger ones have two carry handles. You can get these up to 192 inches wide in a single section. Now, this material is a space-age fabric called drop stitch fabric. It was actually originally designed in the 50s, believe it or not, for airplanes. So what's unique about it is inside, what you don't see, is there are thousands of small hairs or fibers that connect the top to the bottom. Now, when that's connected, what that does is it holds it rigid and in form. So you're not going to deform this as you inflate it. That also enables it to maintain a tremendous amount of pressure under high PSI. So we've got a really strong, durable panel. It's got PVC layers on top. They're cut-proof, they're puncture-proof, they're debris-proof, and they're designed to really handle the rigors of a typical flood.